Bees, wait up! The fuck you want? I found who our next victim will be. Really? Who are they? Hanji, Sunger, Han, Hyunjin. We can't kill two people at once and you know that. I thought it'd be fun. Here, choose which one will kill first. Han it is. Let's do it tomorrow. I love killing with you. Me too. Bitch, where the fuck did everyone go? Did they teleport? Weird. Let me practice my catwalk. I feel like a model. Oop, time to run. Is anyone chasing me? Finally here. Now where's the body? Definitely not here. I swear, I left it somewhere in the school. Ugh. Maybe it's in the lockers? No, it can't be. No one's here. The fuck is that? Oh, it's a living cat. Fuck, I forgot my knife. Maybe I have my gun? Yeah. Did you just give birth to that phone? Let me steal it real quick. Could I use this to kill it? Nah, it's useless. I'm one with nature. Tonight, you will receive a death threat at the convenience store. The fuck was that message? I'll fight back. Yes, I can do it. Where the fuck is it snowing in August? Something's not right. Time to stare deep into nothing. Alright, who do I kill first? Them? Yes, bitch, I know I'm gorgeous, but you don't have to stare. Ooh, I could kill you as well. Don't act suspicious, don't act suspicious. Don't worry, they don't know you have a gun. Time to microwave my favorite snack. 2 minutes. Perfect. When will it be done? I'm starving. What? We'll kill you. Not if I kill you first. I'd like to see you try. The fuck you want from me? Your brain. Bitch, I don't have one. We figured. Finally, my food is done heating up. Ew, this one is not my style. I'll eat it anyway. Yum! Time to enjoy my snack. Ooh, I'm getting a call. Hello? Anna, where are you? We were supposed to kill Han today. See, they totally forgot. Let's reschedule.